I like it. I really do. I like it a lot better than I thought I would. So it does the side windows up and down in tune, and the trunk dances up and down.
The mirrors flap?
I didn't see the mirrors flap. I'd have to do it a third time or review the video, one of the two.
Yeah,
It's pretty cool though.
I heard it. It sounded way strong inside. I mean,
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I didn't know it wasn't Wizards in Winter. I like this tune.
Yeah, this is that other one.
Yeah, this is pretty cool.
No?
All right, shut it. Yeah, Ruby's not doing it again. Oh, she is. Phew. The charge flap, Donnie. Jules opened up the charge flap. You watched, okay, she is flapping the mirrors. You just can't see them, but I guess Ruby at night you can't see them good either. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
That.
Jules doesn't say it's always just a dream.
Only just a dream.
Only just a dream.
Only just a dream.
It was all just a dream.
Oh, we're both wrong.
Neither one of us remember. But Jules doesn't say that.
Ruby's longest song is longer.
That's right. Got way more moves.
Think she was louder too.
I think she was too. I thought I heard Ruby almost the whole time.